Hello, viewers. This is James W. Allen at My Personal Experience. Come follow me and check out the content as I continue to finish up this deck and railings for a project of my neighbors there. I'll be installing some rails, building stairs, and painting and staining the deck for her. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.